morning, children. So today in our Hindi class we are going to do the recap of all our Varnamala, the letters, and then you will learn two new letters. Okay, so let's start with our Hindi Varnamala. So what is Varnamala? Varnamala is all the letters of Hindi. Like we say alphabets. In alphabets we have consonants and vowels, right? Like that we too have in Hindi vowels and consonants. The vowels are the swar and the consonants are the vyanjan. Okay, so let's do a recap on a swar. So swar are the part of Hindi Varnamala, Hindi alphabet. So what are the swar? E, U, Re, I, O, Ow, Ang, Aha. So this is what you have already written. Like what is say anar, say am, eek say Emily, e say eek, u say ullu, u say oon, re say rishi, a say ad, I say ainak, o say okali, ow say avrit, ang say angur or under, aha. Okay, so this is what you all learnt in your first Hindi class, right? So let's go to the Vyanjan. So I want you all to do the recap. Write it again and practice. Most of you all have written wrong. The Vyanjans you all have written wrong. So the Vyanjan, we'll go through it again. So these are the Vyanjan, Hindi Vyanjan. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nya. So most of you all in the place of nya you all write e, and some write without the dot, which is da. So that's wrong. You'll have to write nya is this way and stop here and put a dot here to your right. That's nya. Ka, kha, ga, ga, nya. Cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. Okay. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. So this is ka varg, cha varg. In ta varg, how do you write ta? Ta varg, ta, tha, da, dha, na. So most of you all have written wrong, da and dha. This is da and this is dha. Then ta, tha, da, dha, na. Don't get confused with gha, cha and dha. So see the formation, children. Ga is just like this, and you draw the sleeping line, the top line covering both the curve and the standing line. Whereas in cha you have it this way and you make a knot like, and then you write a T type on this. So this will not touch the beginning of the letter, that's cha. Now when it comes to the again you will not draw the line full. You will have a knot here and then goes like this and put the sleeping line only to the standing line, not on the curve. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va, sha, sa, ha. So after this is what we have our Sanyut Akshar. So what are the Sanyut Akshar? Ksha, tra, gnya, shra. Ksha is Kshatriya, Tra, Trishul, Gnya, Jnani, Shra, Shramik. Okay, so these are the letters which you have learnt in Vyanjan. Now we will be introduced today with another two letters, that is called the Atirikt Akshar, that is Da, and a dot here becomes da. It's between your R and D. It's da. And this is dha. Da, dha. So this is like da with a dot at the bottom and your dha with another dot at the bottom. This is dha and dha. So da comes in when you say sadak. Sa, da, Sadak. Sadak means road. Okay. So dha, sadak, it's road, and dha. You should not bring the line here, this becomes the. So it stops here. And the dot at the bottom, is like you say in pad. Pad is to read. Okay, so d and d. D is sadak, like road. D is in pad, that is to read. So these are the two letters which will be adding to our list of Vyanjan. Okay, so as I'll read it again for you all from K to Sh, and then we'll see D and D. K, K, G, G, Nya. Ch, Ch, J, J, Nya. T, Th, D, Dh, Na. T, okay, T is this way. T, Th, D, Dh, Na. P, Ph, B, Bh, Ma. So this is K work, Ch work, T work, T work, P work. And then you have Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H. After that, you all have the Sanyuktakshar. Ksh, Tra, Gnya, Shra. Then you have Atiriktakshar. Da, Dha, Da, Dha. Dha say Sadak, Dha say Padak, Pad. Dha say Sadak, Dha say Pad. So I want you all to write this down, children. This is a new word, new letter which will be incorporating in the words. D say Sadak, Dh say Pad. That's to read. Okay, so there is difference between D, Dh and D, D. Okay, children. Okay, copy this down in your Hindi classwork, the 2-line, the double line book. Don't write in 4 lines. It should be written in your double line Hindi classwork, and the formation of these letters will be in the double line. That's your blue line. Okay, write and learn. Okay, children. Take care. Goodbye.